guys, my name is Dan from Nairobi Safari Club using my team as well. Today I'm going to show you some awesome follow-up body weights that you can do anywhere, whether in your office, whether at your home, and at the gym. So the first workout is what we call a modified back. So we go down, legs slightly wider. So you go down, take your left leg out, take your right leg out, take your left leg in, and right leg in. Then you stand back up. You go down again for number 2. Down, left leg out, right leg out, left leg in, right leg in, and you stand back up. You should do 3 repetitions of 10 each. So our second workout is what we call a push-up. Still on the mat. Go down, legs straight, take your chest down, then back up. Down again, then back up. Again, 3 repetitions of 10 each. Third workout is what we call a prisoner squat. So make sure you cuff your hands, put it behind your head. I'm going to show you this way. And then legs slightly wide. Give me a squat again, and then back up. That's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3, and that's number 4. Again, you do the same thing. 3 repetitions of 10 each. The fourth workout is what we call a 4-legged knee. Still on your mat. You go down, make sure you're straight. So what you do is you bring your left knee to your right elbow, like this. Then back, turn the other side, back, turn the other side, back, back. Same thing. Do 10 repetitions of 3 each. The last one is jumping jumps. So you jump 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back. That's all for today. And if you have any query, kindly follow us on Facebook at Nairobi Safari Club or our YouTube channel, Nairobi Safari Club.